people out. Oh, this is the sanctuary. Go back here. I don't know, you're allowed to go back here. This is a restaurant. It's a restaurant. And there's a lot of people eating out there, over here. Just walk up here. Can you walk up here? Oh, these must be the restrooms. Yeah, this place is packed today. Candles. I have like a candle like this, one of these Hispanic candles at home. Just for decoration. Oh, they're lit. See that? They're lit. Candles. You see that? These are pretty candles. There's some people in back of there. Something. That's the sanctuary right there. Is this a parking lot? I don't know. I totally forgot like the layout of this place. Chimayo chili for sale. That where it says Jesus over there, it says also says Chimayo chili for sale. Oh yeah, that's that store over there. Remember that? I do remember that. Oh, it has art. This is El Santuario de Chimayo. Official scenic historic marker. There's a lot of these in New Mexico. El Santuario. And it's called a pilgrimage site. Pilgrimage site. 1860. It's and other residents of Chimayo finished building this chapel Henry. Nuestro Señor de I can't pronounce that. It's like Spanish, but yeah, it has a 6-foot crucifix and healing dirt. Religious folk art and the altar screens. Yeah, that's cool over there. That whatever that is, it's like. I'm gonna walk. There's cars. No. Walk over here. Video surveillance. This is the so these cars. I hate cars when I'm trying to walk. Chavez Gallery and Coffee Shop up the road. I think that's like under surveillance, this little house or whatever building. Farm for Chavez Gallery and Coffee Shop. Yeah, I have taken pictures here before. It's been a while. I think it's been a few years, but gallery. This is snow cones. I've taken pictures of this little sign that says snow cones. There's something in there. Oh yeah, I think I've been up to the Chavez coffee shop before. This is a gallery. Maybe I've been in here. I don't know. It's been a few years, I think. My dad says I'm wrong about that, but I'm gonna sit down. It's warm out here today. Rita. I don't know if we're allowed to sit. I guess I can sit on this bench. Looks like an animal over there. Is that a dog, I guess? Oh no, it's a cat. It's a cat. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty, meow meow. Yeah, I don't think I only have like $1.25 on me. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty cat. Oh my gosh, what's wrong? Did you have surgery or something? Oh no, are you hurt? I know you must live over here. Uh-huh. You're sweet. Oh, sweetheart. Hi, little sweetheart. She is rubbing against my... Oh my gosh. He looks like he's had some surgery. Huh? Oh. Oh, hey kitty. You're a nice kitty. Oh. Nice kitty. Nice kitty. Uh-huh. Aww. I love cats. I have my own cat. I have my own cat. Fur. Oh, you're a sweetie. Oh, I feel bad. I feel bad for you. You look like you were hurt or had surgery or something. Are you okay, kitty? Oh, sorry, kitty. Sorry, kitty. Sorry, kitty. Kitty. You're nice. You're a nice kitty. You're a nice kitty. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. No, I don't have a face mask. I don't have one here. Oh. You are sweet and cute. Oh, sweetheart. Can I sit down over here? Can I sit down over here? Oh, I'm gonna sit down, kitty. Okay. Oh. Oh, you're purring? Oh, are you gonna jump up here? Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, you're getting on my lap. You must like me. Oh, nice kitty. I can't stay a real long time, kitty. I have to go to lunch. Oh, kitty. Oh, kitty. Oh, oh, be careful with your little claws. Be careful, little kitty. I have a kitty too. I have a kitty too. Hey. Oh, here.
Right? Oh.
Is this your cat?
Yeah, that's Gary.
He likes me.
Gary, go on, Gary.
It's a little boy?
Yeah.
I have a kitty too, Gary.
Go on, Gary.
Gary, and you go to your
Go
owner?
inside, Gary. You have to heal.
Gary, you have to go to your owner. Oh, I can't believe you came up and sat on my lap. That's so sweet. So sweet. Your owner wants you.
Nah, he's okay for a while, I guess.
I don't have too much time, but
Come on, Gary.
come on, Gary. Gary, go to your owner.
Gary.
Go to your owner, Gary. You like people?
He does that to everybody.
Aw. I have a cat, so he probably...
A big old tumor he had, like a cyst.
Oh, I saw that.
Spider, yeah.
Aw, you poor thing. Poor thing. You poor thing. You're so...
Okay, well, be safe, man.
Okay. Okay, Gary. Gary, can you go to your owner? Here. Oh, kitty. Oh, kitty, you like people, don't you? Your owner said, hey, get down. Get down. You're on camera, Gary. You're on camera. Aw. Gary, I can't stay too long. I'd like to. I'd like to see more of the village. I'd like to hang out with you. Aw. I'd like to hang out with you, kitty. Oh, poor thing. Your owner says you like people. Your owner says you like people. Oh, you like my purse, Gary? Oh, you're sweet. Can you get down? Because I would love to stay here with you, but I have to go back soon. I have to go back soon, kitty. Oh, you poor kitty. I love cats. I love cats.